Hello guys, stop scrolling, just wait, let me tell you something. Yeah, I've been in the crypto space for a long time and I've learned everything I needed to learn in different sections. The airdrop sections, the trading sections, the education sections. I even run an academy, right, where I train students from basic to advanced to pro, right? So, and I feel it's time for me to begin to dish out the knowledge for free, because I know a lot of you guys need the knowledge. Because one thing I always tell my students is, if you want to succeed in this ecosystem, you need to prioritize knowledge, right? Before you begin to jump on that big investment, all right, begin to buy things, sit down and learn a lot of things. When I started off in crypto, I took more than 6 months. I was learning, I was watching videos. I even had to pay a personal mentor to coach me. That is why I am well informed when it comes to investing in crypto, when it comes to everything in crypto, everything in blockchain, right, related to finance, right. At least to some extent, I'm not bragging, but to some extent I know I have confidence in it, right? So in today's video, will not make it long. If you are not been following up, you check my channel, you see a lot of videos I've done. But in today's video, I just want to address this. Somebody sent me a personal message one time that anytime he want to add a new contract, a new network to his wallet, he has to start typing in individually, and sometimes because of the RAM size of his phone, he has to be writing it one after the other before he will minimize to where he's copying it and come back. The phone has refreshed. I said that was the old style, right? That's actually the old style. If you want to do it, it's very simple. If you have your Web3 wallet, let's say for this video I'll be using OKX. I'll be using OKX. Please, let's be patient with my network. It's not really that good. This is actually 12:50 a.m. This is midnight. So I don't know why the network is not working, but let's try and manage it. So let's say I don't have a BNB Smart Chain network in this phone, and I want to add, and this is a fresh wallet. So if you head down to your OKX wallet, you go to the Explore section down below your screen. Now when you go to the Explore section, this section is actually where it used to be browser before it was updated. So when you go to the Explore section, it will take you to where you can type in something. Oh god, network, sorry about that. Let's reload it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I think the network is back. So you click on the Explore, you come here, just simply type Chainlist. Chainlist.org. All of them has to be joined together. Make sure that together. Chainlist.org. Okay, so when you key in this website, you simply tap on it. Right, it works same way even though you're using OKX wallet, MetaMask, whatever Web3 wallet you're using, you can still apply the same principle. Right now it will take you to the interface of Chainlist. So you just need to know the name of the blockchain. For instance, I said Binance Smart Chain. So just search for Binance then Binance Smart. What is wrong with my keyboard? Okay, the spelling of my Binance is not even correct. Okay, let's fix that. Binance Smart Chain. Let's just search for it and see if we can get anything here. Binance Smart Chain. This can be network. So we are not looking for. Okay, so let me just key in this. Let's see BSC. You can see. So this is what I was looking for. So immediately you search for, so you just need to know the name of the blockchain, right? The full name, either the way it is being spelled. You notice I was trying to spell Binance, and I purposely do that. I did that on purpose so you can learn. The main blockchain is BNB Smart Chain mainnet. So, but I went and searched for Binance. It did not bring it out. It was showing me other things. So just ensure you search. You can find it here. Then the next thing is just click on Add to MetaMask. And once you click Add to MetaMask, it will just bring it out. So let's search for another blockchain. Let's search for Asset Chain. You can see we have Asset Chain here. The native token not yet out, but the currency is RWA. So this is a new blockchain that most of the centralized exchange does not have. Even most of the DEX wallet, they don't have it, but you can find it. Instead of going to go and be copying the RPC number, which you can easily make mistake, just come here, go to your wallet, search for chainlist.org and search for any blockchain, whether it's new one. These people must have it. And once you search and see it, you click on Add to MetaMask. Okay guys, so if you find value on this tutorial, don't forget to follow, don't forget to drop like. See you in another video. Bye for now.